Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a new Instagram account. If you are using Instagram and you want to create a new account, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you just have to open your Instagram app, and here you will get this type interface. If you have an account, you can easily log in here, or if you want to create a new account, just tap on create new account option. And here just enter your mobile number or sign up with email address. I'm going to use my email address, and here you must have to enter your email. As I have entered mine, just tap on next option, and here first of all you have to enter the confirmation code sent to your email address. So open your Gmail or email app, and here you must have to wait for that code, but you have to make sure that you have logged in the same account. And here just copy this code. Now once you have copied, just paste it here. And here you must have to create a password. As here I have entered my password, just tap on next option. And here just select create new account. And here you must have to set date of birth. As for example, I'm going to enter randomly this one. Once you have entered, just tap on set option and tap on next. And here you must have to create a name. As for example, I'm going to enter this one. Just enter the name, then tap on this next option, and here you have to enter your username. If you want to edit that, you can do, but I'm going to select next from here, then tap on I agree option. So you just have to wait for its loading and your account will be created. Just tap on skip, or if you want to add a profile picture, you can easily add that. So that's all. Your Instagram account has been successfully created. You can now easily use your Instagram account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.